Hello friends, my name is Chetan Wadadia and today I am going to show you elimination method for solving pair of linear equation with two variable. There are actually three methods: elimination, substitution and cross multiplication. Among this is the best method. I am generally using this method to solve all the questions. So let me tell you how we can solve this. So let us start, guys. This is linear, or you can say pair of linear equation with two variable, and we need to find out values of x and y. So what we need to do in elimination method? Elimination means to eliminate. Eliminate means to cancel out or cut out. We know in many games they eliminate player, means they remove that player. So that way we have to remove any term. So how we can do that? Either you need to remove term with x or you need to remove term with y. First of all, we are going to write down both this equation in proper way. If you are writing 2x plus y equals to 7, then this also you need to write down in the same way. 4x minus 3y equals to minus 1. Plus 1 was on this side, so I taken on that side. Okay, now we need to make either x variable same or y variable same, term with y variable same. How? Let me tell you. Here, if I will multiply with 2, if I will multiply this equation with 2, what I will get? 2 2s are 4x plus 2 into y will give you 2y, and 2 into 7 will give you 14. So, and here 4x minus 3y minus 1. So you can see I have made this term same by just multiplying 2 with this. Why we have to make this term same? To eliminate. Okay, we can make either x term same or y term same. Okay, so here I had made this term same. Now if I will add this 2, then can we eliminate? No. For here, for elimination, we need to subtract. Means that you need to keep in mind that sometimes you need to add, sometimes you need to subtract. Here we need to subtract. Why? Because both are having same sign. When both are positive, you need to subtract. When both are negative, at that time also you need to subtract. But if one is positive and one is negative, at that time you need to add. Okay, so here we are going to subtract. When you are subtracting, all this sign will change. This was plus, so this become minus, minus, so this will become plus. This is minus, so this will also become plus. Now 4x minus 4x equals to 0. So we had eliminated this term with x. Now here 2y plus 3y. Now new sign we have to keep in mind. 2y plus 3y will give you 5y. And 14 plus 1 will give you 15. So the value of y will be 15 by 3. Sorry, 15 by 5. 3. Now for x, for finding x, just you need to keep this value 3 on the place of y and solve this. Let me show. 2x plus, on the place of y I am going to keep 3 equals to 7. Okay, now 2x, take this plus 3 on that side, so 7 minus 3 plus 3 will become minus 3 on that side. Now 2x and equals to 4, so x will be 4 by 2. X will be equals to. So this is the proper or perfect method, guys. One more method is there. As I told you, you can make terms with x same, or you can also make term with y also same. How and what we need to do? Let me show you. This is second method. In exam, you don't have to do both this method. Any one you can use. Okay. So 2x plus y equals to 7. And here directly I am writing in this form that 4x minus 3y equals to minus. Now here in this question we had made terms with x same. Here I am going to make terms with y same by multiplying this equation with 3. So what will happen? 3 2s are 6x plus 3 into y will give you plus 3y, and 7 3s are will give you 20. And here 4x minus 3y equals to minus 1. Now here we have to add, guys. Actually here we had subtracted because both the signs of 4x were same. Here signs are different. If you will add this, then you will get 0. So no need of subtracting. Here no need of changing the sign. Here we were subtracting, so we have to change the sign. Here we are going to add. So 6x plus 4x will give you 10x. Minus 3y plus 3y will give you 0. So no need of writing that. And 21 minus 1 will give you 20. So the value of x will be 20 by 10. So x is equals to 2, guys. You can see getting the same answer. Okay. Now for y, again you need to keep this value of x in any of this equation. So let me use this in the first one, 2, and on the place of x again 2 plus y equals to 7. So 4 plus y equals to 7, and y equals to 7 minus 4, y equals to 3. Again you are getting the same values of x and y, you can see. So you can solve by any of this method, guys. Okay, so this is the elimination method, and still if you are having any doubt, guys, you can join me on my free live lecture every day on Unacademy in morning 9 a.m. guys. Every day at 9 a.m. I am having free live lectures on Unacademy. Just you need to download Unacademy app, register with your mobile number, select the goal JEE NEET Foundation and NDAC. Actually they had added now class 9, 10 in front of this. Then IIT, JEE NEET, NDAC, this is the name for the course. And you need to use my referral code for free live classes. For free live classes, you need to use my code Galaxy Coaching, guys, so that you can enter in my free live classes. And for plus classes also, or plus subscription also, please use my code Galaxy Coaching, so you will get 10% discount. Okay, after registering, you just need to find out my name. My profile name is Chetan Vadadia. Just search this and click on the follow button nearby my name, so you will get notification of all my lectures on Unacademy, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you.